In this lesson, we'll cover what impact points are, how to find them in Common Room, how they are calculated and weighted, and we'll also explore 3 use cases, including how you can use impact points to recruit and recognize community champions, and how you can identify champions in key prospect organizations. So what are impact points? Impact points allow you to quickly understand which members are driving the greatest impact within your community. To calculate impact points, different member activities are weighted based on their significance. For example, if a member on LinkedIn comments or reacts to a post about your brand, they receive impact points for doing so. And depending on which of those actions is made, they receive more or less points for that action. Now, let's take a look at impact points in Common Room. You can find them in the members directory. Here, you can sort this directory by impact points in ascending or descending order. And you can also filter this directory by impact points. For example, let's say you only wanted to display members with greater than 1,000 impact points. You can do that here. Finally, you can see impact points directly inside of a member's profile, right here. That's impact points in the UI. That's pretty straightforward. But where do impact points come from? And how are they weighted? Well, Common Room provides you with a default, out-of-the-box calculation for impact points, based on our assessment of a variety of communities and sources. But customers on team and enterprise plans may work with Common Room to customize impact point weights for their specific needs. For the full list of impact point weighting, see the link in the description below. Now, let's move on and cover 3 use cases for impact points. The first one is recruiting community champions, and the process is pretty simple. You can quickly identify which members are contributing the most value to your community by filtering or sorting the member directory by impact points. Next, you can select specific members and add them to a segment. Once high-impact members are in a segment, you can manage them through your recruiting process using statuses and team notes. For our second use case, recognizing community champions, it's just as easy. Again, you can quickly identify which members are contributing the most value to your community by filtering or sorting the member directory by impact points. But in this case, you also want to filter by a specific time window. Here, select last 28 days. It's common for communities to run programs that recognize a member or champion of the month. With impact points, you can surface impactful members and manage programs like this with ease. For our third and final use case, you'll see how you can quickly identify champions in key prospect organizations. Starting in the Organizations Explorer, you'll select the account of interest. We'll choose Salesforce. Then head down to the members directory and sort by impact points in descending order. This account's most impactful members will populate at the top of the list. From here, you can select members and add them to a segment to manage outreach and track account level champions. And when appropriate, you can even send key contacts to your company CRM. But that's impact points in Common Room.